So I'm holding right here in my hand reason number 100,000 why you shouldn't do these online wills, these wills that you draft by yourself, and or the reason why lawyers are just fine with all these services out there that have people printing up forms and doing a will by themselves. Now, the reason why I call this reason 150,000 is because by the time these people get done paying attorney's fees on this thing, they're going to spend 150,000 by these people fighting this thing out. Here's the deal. In the state of Florida, you got a minor child, your homestead property cannot be devised by a will. In the state of Florida, you got a wife. You can't dispossess the wife and throw her out of there just because you got a will that says you want to do that. And the thing is, all these services out there don't do nearly enough work in explaining to people what these requirements that are in the Florida Constitution and law and elsewhere really mean. I mean, forget about the case law. It's in the Constitution, for crying out loud. And yet, somebody's sitting there in their house drafting this thing and putting all these terms in there that just can't have any effect. Even worse is this stuff that's online. Somebody pays money, goes on, they got a flashy website, everything's cool, they're making all these things in there, they hit Bing, print, they're even notarizing them online with some service and God knows where. And that whole pretty document, that whole fancy package that they put together ain't worth squat because it's in violation of Florida law. So, if you're going to do estate planning, you're going to do a will power of attorney, pay a couple $100 to some attorney that knows what they're doing. Otherwise, you're going to be paying hundreds of thousands of dollars on the other side when they're fighting over what that will really means. If you got experience with drafting wills by yourself and getting in trouble with it, leave comments. If you know somebody that has drafted a will and they ain't dead yet, leave comments there as well.